Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce to you how to make orchid flower with pipe cleaner. Materials needed: pipe cleaner / chenille, preferably in various colors, zinc, ruler, scissors, wax tap, skein. Step 1. Cutting the velvet. Cut out petal shapes from the velvet fabric. Orchid petals are typically elongated and slightly tapered at the ends. Vary the size and shape of the petals for a more realistic look. Create a second layer of petals shorter than the first layer of petals. Step 2. Assembling the flower. Use the pistil as the center of the flower. Begin layering the petals around the center loop. Secure each petal to the center loop using a needle and thread, stitching through the base of the petal and around the wire loop. Step 3. Finishing touches. Use your hands to bend the petals to create a natural look for the flower. Wrap the wire stem with green floral tape to give it a more natural appearance. Step 4. Creating leaves, optional. Cut out leaf shapes from green velvet. Use your hands to create a natural curve for the leaves. Step 5. Assemble the orchid. Use floral tape to bind the wire stems of the petals together, forming the orchid flower. Position the leaves around the base of the orchid flower. Use floral tape to attach the stems of the leaves to the stem of the orchid. Experiment with different colors and sizes of velvet fabric to create a variety of orchids. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and follow to support my channel. Wishing you a nice day. I love all of you.